English.
Reading, which is about 1 hour. And then we have TOEFL listening. The actual answering time is 1 hour and a half, but that excludes rather the actual lectures and the actual conversations. There will be a 10-minute mandatory break after that. It will be followed by the speaking section. The speaking section is the most spontaneous section since it only lasts for about 20 minutes. After that, you will immediately proceed to TOEFL writing. This is around 1 hour, inclusive of the reading time and the actual listening time. TOEFL speaking section has 6 question types composed of the integrated speaking, the independent speaking, and the actual summary speaking. The first 2 sections, question number 1 and question number 2, they're called independent sections. Independent sections because you have no materials that you can base your answer to. You will only use your personal experience and your understanding, logical understanding of the question types. First question type is oftentimes referred to as the open-ended question. It's an open-ended question because the question is open in the sense that you can give any answer. It's ended because in the sense that you'll be answering based on a particular category. Example, what is your favorite city? You can answer Tokyo, you can answer Seoul, you can answer Davao. However, your answer is constricted and limited only to cities. The second question type is a limited version because it's oftentimes referred to as the preference question. The preference question has 2 types. The first type being the agree-disagree. There will be a statement, a sentence, and you will be asked to agree or disagree. You cannot give neutral answers because neutral answers means you're not sure of your opinion.
Simple.
Yes. The second type is called the choices question.
What is the best answer about choice?
Choices? You choose a choice that you can answer immediately even if you're not actually sure of your choice. For instance, where do you want to study? Abroad or in your home country? Basically, you like to study in your home country, but it's easier to defend going abroad, so you choose going abroad. It's like not answering what you really want, but answering what you can explain. Okay?
Okay.
Did I answer your question?
Thank you.
And in the TOEFL test, so if you took the test already, you would know. And it's divided into 2 parts. So the first part we call the integrated writing, and the other one is independent. In the real test, integrated writing will be first, and then independent. Independent writing is what we call the free writing. You will be confined with a prompt. They will give you a prompt. The prompt is the question. So what is the purpose of the prompt? It is the direction of your essay. Now you need to address the prompt. For instance, do you agree or disagree? Students should wear uniforms.
Like general question.
Yes, it's a general question. This is what we call the prompt. Now what you need to do is to address the question. Parts of the essay is divided into 3. First is the introduction. Second is the body. Third is,
Conclusion.
Yes, good. Alright, so we normally do this, so there's nothing new about it. But in TOEFL, you need to address the question.
But for now, we're just going to discuss 5. Alright? So the first one, question type reading, is called the vocabulary. Vocabulary. Okay. So vocabulary. So what comes into your mind when you hear the word vocabulary? Any word. Once you hear the word vocabulary, what comes into your mind?
Question.
Yeah, exactly. Question. Yeah, question. Okay. So actually, when you say vocab, thank you so much, Jane. When you say vocabulary, this pertains to words. All right, words. So as far as reading or TOEFL reading is concerned, we're just going to deal with English words. Okay. May you please give me one example of an English word? As for vocab, any word, English.
Make.
Make. Very good. The word which is the same for make. Okay. May you please give me a word the same with the meaning make? Keyword for vocabulary, words. Alright? When you say fact, it talks about reality, truth. Okay. Let me ask you, are you handsome?
Of course.
That's a fact. That's reality. That is no factual, alright? Handsome. Very good. Alright. How about information? What comes into your mind when you hear the word information?
Bill English.